Winner, winner, chicken dinner. I've got 34 chickens in here, and I've got 26 more coming. This will be dinner for about 9 months. And they're fed organic. They're treated with love. And I say prayers for them regularly, especially when they're full grown and ready to go in our freezer. But this is the way I like to eat. I like to know what I'm eating because I know what it ate. And I like to love them, treat them with love. I think they grow better and they're healthier. These chickens will have no antibiotics ever, for real, or growth hormone. Peace.